What's up, Kai? What's up, Kai? JPI just bought made quick 50. Nice, bro. You're Jordan? Jordan? From where? On time for once. All right. I'm good. I'm doing good, Kai, man. How are you? Hey, bro. What's up, Travels? How you doing, Travels? I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. Is this engulfing? Yeah, this is an engulfing candle. Yes, this current candle you're seeing is an engulfing candle. Yes, correct. What's up, Aziz? What's up, Majid? I'm good. I'm good, Travels. I'm good, bro. Good night, Indonesian time. What's up, Feds? I'm in New Zealand. It's 11 degrees. Yeah, what's it here? Yeah, it's 11 here as well, bro. It's 11 here in Melbourne as well. It's 11 degrees in Melbourne. What's up, Low Foreigner? Sade United, what's up? All right, let's see. Let's wait for a few more people to get in. Let's wait for a few more people. What's up, K-Car? Hey, Miss H, how are you? How are you? All right, let's see. Let's see. Can the 30-minute come down and tap in? Can the 30-minute come down and tap in? It pretty much has. Can it come a little bit more? At this point, once price flips bullish, there is potential for continuation. There is potential for continuation. If we tap and flip bullish here, let's get out the indicator and let's have a look at the next levels. We've got this level right here, which lines up nicely in here with this level. That could be targets right there. Bought a beautiful trade from the indicator yesterday, put it in the Discord. Let's go, K-Car. Where did you put that? Are you what's your name in Discord, K-Car? What's up, Mickey? Oh no, you. Oh, third pupil. Oh yeah. Talk about this one, yeah? Nice, bro. That's insane. Which broker do I use? I use Black Bull Markets. Can we start adding quantity? What do you mean quantity, Samra? To what? What's up, Chef? Chef Dusty. What's up, Ben? What's up, PNW? Linda, you can't join the Discord? Oh, I want to join the Discord. Discord is for members only at the moment. I could make a public Discord, I suppose. I don't know what we'd post in there though. Maybe just chat and analysis. What's up, Teddy? Durex, just my one, bro. Just my indicator, bro. Alright, we got the tap. Let's see. Let's see if it can flip bullish. Mohammed, appreciate the follow on TikTok. Let's go. Let's bring the TikTok chat over here real quick. Let's bring the TikTok chat in here. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm a bit tired today. I don't know if you guys can tell right now, but I need a pick me up or something, man. I need something. I'm feeling tired right now. The only problem with this 30 right now is the fact that it doesn't really have much of a top wick. So I think we're still bearish. Yeah, of course. Overall, still bearish. Below. Just, you know, looking at the 4-hour time frame, obviously pullbacks at this point. Coming in on the 4. We've got 8, 12 printing bullish candles. Now the 12-hour opened a couple of hours ago, or about an hour and a half ago. It's made a bottom wick. and it's flipped bullish, and it's made a top wick as well. So in terms of structure on the 12, it's looking bullish. I think in terms of like where we can head to on the daily, it's probably probably gonna be let me just mark this out where we're coming back up to right now. Probably in here. Yeah, probably in there. That's the level. That's the target. But at this point, like I said, they've both got no bottom wicks. Sorry, the bullish doesn't have a top wick. The bearish doesn't have a top wick either. So let's see what happens. We'll focus on this for a second because we just started the stream and you know potential moves to the upside here. If you can get the break of this high. So we'll have a look at this. What's up, Ty? Pivot point? I don't know, man. 2,350. What's up, Tokyo? What's up, Cold Dude? Wartor, appreciate the follow. Hope the weather is a bit better on your side today. I mean, it's been alright. It's been alright. It's 11 degrees right now, though. It's pretty cold. You can see I got my nice jumper on. Actually bought this today. I was in need of some good winter jumpers. Daniel Tate, appreciate the follow. We're tapping, yeah, we're tapping right now, Mitesh. We're tapping right now. Tap. Now you just need a flip bullish. Got 22 minutes of this 30 left. Also the hourly. Also the 2 hourly. Look at this 5 though. This 5 coming down heavy right here. Yo, Ty, what the hell? Ty coming in with the 200 diamonds. Holy shit, brother. We only just started up 11 minutes ago and bro is dropping bombs. What's up, Seal? What does it tell me with not having a top wick? It just really means like there's not much range for price to go up here now, right? Usually when you see you know, bullish candles and you see top wicks, you can see a potential continuation, right? But the fact that it's got no top wick at this point and neither has the bearish could potentially mean there's no range in here, right? For price to continue bullish. But let's see, we've got 20 minutes. We've got 20 minutes. Can't break level. At some point, right, obviously we've had quite a big sell-off here now. This is the daily time frame, right? We've had quite a big sell-off. And this daily candle is currently bullish, but it could just be pulling back in here, right? It could just be pulling back to make a top wick before it eventually flips back bearish and starts driving some more today. We don't know. We don't know yet. So you took buys this morning using the tap strategy. Feel bad for watching quality content without donation. Appreciate that, bro. 200 diamonds. Tap dancing with Cody. FX Gold and GJ, appreciate the follow. Is this just a pullback? Are you talking about the like long term, Joe? Like the daily, or are you talking about what we're looking at right now on the 30? Or are you talking about this move right here, this current bullish move? Yeah, potential just pullback here on the 30, right? Like pull back into this level, and then the targets would be up here at this level for a drive bullish at this point, because the bottom wick on the 30, the 30 is closed above this key level from the left. Now prices come down, made at the bottom wick, tap back into this key level, and then at that point you would anticipate that if price rejects this key level, it can break the highs and start driving up to the next level. PB now, what's PB mean? Da, 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 da. The 12 is broke bullish, the 8 is broke bullish structure. Do, 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 do. What's up, Jay Tripping? What did you say, bro? You're no, I'm not in anything right now, Jay Tripping. You have a feeling it's the night to buy? Well, let's have a look at the weekly candle. We are currently in the last day of the weekly candle, right? The weekly candle has broke the highs, but it's also now come down and broke the lows, right? So it broke the highs, broke the lows. Oh my god, what am I doing? Broke the highs, broke the lows. Right, now we've got break of structure, and the weekly is currently bearish. The bearish should leave a bottom wick, right? Because if we look at previous bearish candles over here, right, leaving bottom wicks, over here leaving the bottom wick, over here leaving bottom wicks. So you know that this weekly candle has a potential being bearish to leave a rejection wick to the downside, right? So really, right, at this point, we could potentially start pulling back. It could continue driving down until like the last few hours and then pull back. So at this point, from the weekly, you know, we're trying to figure out, is this daily candle, is this current daily candle right here, the bullish candle that we see on the chart, is this just a pullback, right, to create a top wick, and then once it comes down, breaks the lows, it's just going to keep driving down from the daily and also the weekly? Or is this going to be a pullback deeper in here for next week, which will leave quite a substantial rejection wick on the weekly, which will then enable the weekly potential push back up in here into these areas before selling off again. So that's what my thoughts are right now. So I'm trying to gauge what is this daily candle going to do? What is this daily candle going to do? That is what I'm trying to understand. And in terms of what we are currently seeing, the lower time frames are bullish, right? The lower time frames are closing bullish. Will this change color, please? Change color. Thank you very much. I like these levels to be a bit thicker now, actually. I like some girth, you know? I like some girth. What's up, George? Good morning from UK. Or well, good evening. Yeah, good evening. What's up, Zero? What's up, Trading with Bless? So now, as you can see, the 12-hour time frame, right, has come down. Closed above this key level. It's tapped back in, and now it's flipping bullish, and it's broke previous 12-hour highs, right? 12-hour candle is important because you get two 12-hour candles in a day, right? And not always, but generally how the first one closes is important to figure out how the next one is going to play out, right? Because you have two 12-hour candles. The first 12-hour candle could give you a very solid idea of where the next 12-hour candle is going to play out. That's sus. Do you have a VIP channel? No, I don't. I've got the private Discord, but it's not a VIP channel. So I'm thinking what I'm thinking is doesn't look like you're going to get that flip on the 30. We'll just leave this one for now. What I'm thinking is we've got 12 minutes left of this 30-minute. Doesn't look like at this point this 30-minute candle is going to flip back bullish, right, and start breaking the highs. So if it's not going to do that, it's going to close back inside this range, right? It's going to close back inside this key level. Then what we can look for is at this point where is that? So if the hourly starts to reject, right, we've got 1, 2, 3 rejections of this key level now, right? 3 rejections of this key level. If this hourly, we've got 10 minutes left of this hourly. If this hourly comes back and closes back below this level, then obviously we're looking for taps in, right? And then I think the next level down, what we can look for is, in order to continue with the current trend, right, of the overall trend, the bearish trend, the move that we saw happen yesterday, if we anticipate that the daily candle is going to continue bearish, and this is a top wick, right, it's made its top wick, it's going to start driving to the downside at some point. You can anticipate that once price starts to break structure, potentially in here, right, this is the structure point. Once price starts to break structure on the 2 hour potentially, and on the 4 hour, but more so right now the 2 hour, if we start getting that break of structure, you get price come down and spiking out of these lows, and closing below here, right? It needs to close below here, 2338050. This is the same levels from yesterday. We're still playing around those same levels. If price comes below here, we can start anticipating the move to the downside. But nine minutes, yeah, we gotta wait to see how this like 2 hour 1 hour candle closes. So at this point we just gotta wait. We got like a 10-minute wait to see how these candles close. We're still looking at the 30. Like I said, we got 9 minutes left. I doubt this 30-minute candle is gonna, you know, we've tapped in the key level, but I doubt it's gonna flip bullish at this point and start breaking previous highs. That'll potentially give us like a 30-pip move up into that next range, into that next level. But I don't think that's going to happen. So we'll just wait and see, right? We're just going to wait at this point. We're just going to wait at this point. When trading pack, what is the valid entry trigger when it breaks the previous level? Valid entry trigger would be once you've got your confirmations, which would be like a break and a tap, or break and a retest, whatever you want to call it. Once you got the taps in, for example, right now, this 30 has broke this key level. It's come down to tap in, right? And if this, obviously now we've only got 8 minutes left of this 30-minute candle. We'll see what happens, but I doubt it. You really want this to happen. You want this tap to come in like the first, few minutes. You want price to just start driving down heavily, tap in, looks like it start rejecting, and then start coming back up pretty quickly, right? Otherwise, it's going to do this, and it's going to float around this level for pretty much the whole of the 30-minute candle, and maybe come up towards like the last few minutes, and that's what you don't want, right? So if this was to be an entry, the entry would be above these areas somewhere, right? Once this current candle either starts flipping bullish, or once it breaks the previous highs, and then you'd get first levels would be about a 30 pip level, and then beyond that you could look at the next level from there, right? But once you tap in here, you'd be like moving stops to break even, or even at like 10 pips you would move stops to break even. You're just trying to catch that drive up to the next side, because the idea is that there's a resistance in the market, right? So you can see the key level over to the left here, and also resistance there at that point. Price has closed above it and is breaking out that level. If it comes down here and retests and rejects, and then starts coming back up and breaking those previous highs again, at that point it's made a higher low, and then it started to break the highs to make a higher high, right? So that concept then would be, okay, if we're going to respect this level, then the next level we're going to go up to this up here, right? So you can look for then taps into that level. What time does this live normally start? It started 26 minutes ago, LSM. It started 26 minutes ago. About 3 years, Delpha. About 3-4 years. What's up, Raheem? I'm talking about like consistently, Delphi, like consistently. Like there's profitable where you can make. I'm talking about like more than like a year's worth of results, right? You need more than a year's worth of results to really know if you're profitable or not. Like, so you're really looking at like a year, 2 years results, like journal results, to give you an idea if you're profitable. You can't just make a little bit of money here and there for a few months and go, yeah, I'm a profitable trader. That there's a lot more to it than that. So I don't really like saying, oh, it only took me like a few months, or it only took me a year, because in reality it didn't. What's the name of your strategy? CPAC. Did you lose when I first started? Of course, Archie. Of course, man. That's just the right way of being a trader. Like you have to start off in trading, and everyone loses some trades, blows some accounts to really understand, what it is that what they are doing, what they're doing wrong, what they're doing right. Understand that they're not, just gonna come in here and understand that they're not gonna come in here and deposit like $200 into an account and turn it into $10 million, right? So All right, so the 5 has closed back above. The 5 has closed back above. The 5 is tapping in. At this point, though, like I said, like 30 minute, we've got 4 minutes left of this 30-minute candle. So it's likely that this 30-minute, we've also got the hourly, right? So now comes the hourly. This is important now. Does the hourly close above? Does the hourly close above? Which is also the 2 hourly. Does the hourly candle close above? What do you guys think? He say again, CPAC, Coded Price Action Concepts, AZAX. Learn from mistakes and learn where you went wrong. Learn to read the market. What's up, Punisher? Thank you for the follow. How many trades do I enter a week? This week I've entered like I think 2 trades. This week has been very slow for me personally. One trade this week. But let's, you know what we can do? We can go over the indicator for this week and we can go through each session and we can see what happened with the signals this week on the indicator. All right, we're going to look on the hourly first of all. Where's Monday? Monday starts right here. So on Monday night, there was a buy signal on the hourly time frame. There was also a beautiful closure above, right? This hourly candle closed above, tapped in and started driving to the upside. This would have been the entry around about here. The stops would have been down here. You would have got like a nice 1-to-1 at least, 100 pips, 95 pips, and a little bit more. And then you would have moved stops to break even in here somewhere. You could have got 100 pips there, right? 100 pips there. This sell didn't trigger, so that's an invalid entry because it didn't break the previous lows. And that's it on the hourly time frame. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame. Let's have a look at the 30-minute. Where's Monday? Here on Monday, you had a buy signal which went up for 94 pips. This sell signal went about 10 pips into profit. You would have potentially moved at break even there, or it would have been a losing trade for 76 pips. But in the academy, I always say to people, as a rule, as a risk management rule, once you're 10 pips in profit, move stops to break even. So that should really be a break even trade right here. This would have gone about 23 pips in profit. You would have got about 23 pips from that and then potentially break even. This would have gone 33 pips, 34 pips. This trade, 62 pips. This trade, 52 pips. And then this is an invalid signal. So although I haven't taken many trades this week just because of timings and everything like that. There's been a lot of opportunities for the indicator. So all right, let's have a look. This hourly is not going to close above, so this hourly has rejected as well. And now look at the hourly time frame. We're starting to see a little bit of consolidation right now. What prop firm? I don't trade prop firms, my guys, so I couldn't really give you any opinion on that or advice. Somebody in the chat may be able to though. FTMO is most trusted. Yeah, FTMO is trusted. One of the most outstanding or outlasting, what should I say, like been around the longest FTMO. Is there any news today? I don't think there is, right? FTMO is also the most expensive, is it? TradingView needs options for trading. What do you mean, trailing? Strong resistance at 2340. Yeah, 2341 on the dot. 2341 on the dot. Trading stops. Oh, okay. You're so honest. Most people lie about their progress. Well, Delphi, like, you know, all my trades are in here, man. All the trades I've taken are in here so far this year. Every single trade I've taken this year is in this journal. But let's see what happens. So the 30's closed below, it's pulled back, it's tapping back into this area. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Three-day weekend? Nice, Zero. What is that? Feel it. Feel it. Alright, let's see. So the 30 has flipped, tapped in this area. End of May bank holiday. You know what it's like, time of the year in UK, Easter, second May bank holiday. What, does it go crazy? Feel it. Feel it. That's a previous 4-hour open right there. Let's see what happens here on the lower time frames. This is broke. Come down for tap. Come back down for taps. Now it's got no bottom wick though. Has no bottom wick at this point. This hourly candle. No bottom wick. So let's see. Either this is creating a top wick, so it's tapping back into this level, right? I'm gonna start rejecting now in here, and then once price starts to come below here, which is 2340250, if we can get a 5 closure below here, get taps back in, and then potentially you can start driving down to that next level, which would be, yeah, probably down in there, I would say. Orange news. For durable goods, FOMC. Oh, we got FOMC member Walla speaks. Walla Walla. Walla Walla. Squalla. Man, I'm tired today, man. I need something. What can I do? I need something, man. I need something. Drink coffee? Nah, it's 9 PM, bro. I can't drink coffee. I won't be able to sleep if I do that. I need like wake up. I know how to wake you up. Full port? What do you mean full port? Oxygen? You're not living in the UK? Nah, from the UK, but I'm living in Melbourne right now, Australia. Come on, wake up, wake up, wake up. Ice cold water. I might get try some push-ups. Only midday here in the UK. Enjoying my coffee. Oh, I would love a coffee right now. I'm not gonna lie. But if I have a coffee now, I'm not going to sleep at all tonight. All right, let's see. Let's see if this 5 can close below. Let's see if the 5 can close below. There's been 2 5-minute candles here now with no top wick. Right? 3 actually. So this could be showing some bearish momentum coming into the market, right? So there could be a bit of a sell-off coming here on gold potentially. The fact these candles have got no top wicks. 3 right here. 1, 2, 3. Could mean bearish pressure. Decaf? Well, what's the point of having a coffee if you're going to drink decaf? That's not going to wake me up at all. Full port means whole account on a trade. Oh, yeah, that will definitely wake me up. It's Friday, yeah, it's Friday, man. Eat a meal and down a pint of ice cold water. That should sort you out. That's 2 people that have said ice cold water. Is that an actual thing? Is that actually supposed to wake you up, drinking ice cold water? 2 people have said that now. Push-ups and some weed, bro. If I smoke weed, I'm definitely going to sleep. Get some beer. Yes, it's like when you're stumped in the morning and you splash cold water on your face. Same result. I'm gonna go see what's in the fridge. I'll be 1 second. We got 1 minute and 30 seconds until this 5 closes. I'll be right back. All right. This 1 hour chart is starting to look like that 30-minute chart from Wednesday. I know, bro. I know. That's what I was just looking at as well. The 1 hour chart is doing it. It's doing the thing again, man. It's doing the thing. It's doing the thing. $5-minute, 1 hour. It's all looking a bit choppy. Choppy. Okay, now I see. Now I'm seeing things a little bit differently. I can feel it. All right, we got a 15 closure in 4 minutes. I mean, it's. Question is, can price, we got 2 hours left of this 4-hour candle. This 4-hour candle has spiked out over here. Can it come into 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 30, or is it coming back down into 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 0? Back below. All right, let's see. All right, let's see what this 15 does. Let's see what this 15 does. All right, if this 15 closes below here, this 15 closes below. If it taps back in, I think we can start to see that. We can see a bit of a drive to the downside here, pull back into these areas. Which potentially would be a similar move to what happened over here, right? You had the 15 closure below right here. This 15 closed below. This next 15 came up, tapped in, and then started driving down to that level. But now it's flipping back bullish again. In terms of a buy, price needs to start closing above this level. We got 1, 2 rejections now. We got 1, 2, 3 rejections on the hourly. The 30 has closed above and then closed straight back below again. What are you guys seeing right now? I already trade this session. Yeah, I don't usually when I stream, I don't usually trade in this area, right? I usually trade in here, right? Either in here or in the second trading window. This when I'm doing the streams, this is more for it's more for you know, analysis, educational. Exactly, zero. Educational purposes. Educational purposes. All right. Could it be that gold going to burst up because of China punishment drill, where US troops are? What's that? What's that you're talking about, Mindagos? China punishment drill, where US troops are. Are those separate windows in sessions? No, they're not. They're not sessions, Samuel. They're not sessions. All right, here we go. 15 closure. Can we get a 15? No, the 15's closed back in below. So we're literally just ranging in between these levels right now. Like, there's not, you know, like, I can't really do much with this price action right now. There is not much I can do with this price action right now. Am I funded? No, I don't use funded accounts. I don't trust them. I do not trust them. Who in the chat is trading a funded account? 24 hours ago, news China started drills around Taiwan. Oh, really? All right, here we go. Here we go. The 4 is flipping bearish. Where is it coming back into? Tapped in here. How you identify those windows? It comes off of times. It comes off of candles. If trying to just go through with Taiwan, what does that mean for Nvidia? Aren't they based there? Nvidia are based in Taiwan? I didn't know that. Both sides deploy forces as tensions between China and Taiwan escalate. Taiwan has deployed its forces to protect freedom after China launched major military drills encircling the island. Shit, man. You know, it's only a matter of time, really, isn't it? What's up, God of Thunder? I thought about this. I literally thought about this back when Russia and Ukraine was happening, right? And I thought that was the perfect opportunity for China, if there was ever going to, you know, start messing with Taiwan. But I mean, they didn't. It's come a while later, but it wouldn't surprise me, to be honest, because what's going to happen? Like, no one's going to be able to stop them at this point. They've looked at Russia, what they've done in Ukraine, and they're probably thinking, well, no one's doing anything about Russia and Ukraine anymore, right? Everyone's pretty much forgot about it. So why don't we just go and take back Taiwan, or, you know, whatever they would be thinking. What's the music playing in your background? It's just YouTube. It's just YouTube copyright playlist. It's in the audio library on YouTube. It's free YouTube music. Where's the market headed today? At the moment, that's what I'm trying to figure out. God of Thunder. I'm trying to figure out if the weekly is just going to continue bearish at this point, right? And that would mean then a daily candle creating a top wick, which it is currently done, and then flipping bearish and continuing to drive to the downside. Or is the daily just going to pop up and close somewhere in these levels, in these areas, just to create that kind of weekly rejection bottom wick that we see so often on weekly candles? You know, very similar to what we saw over here and over here. So that's where we're at right now, and at the moment we have this resistance level where we're seeing some rejection at. Nice candle pattern right here. So right now, again, right, we can only just go with what the market is giving us. Currently, what we're seeing is a rejection of this resistance. We have this key level right here that price has bounced on twice, and we have this uptrend, which is similar to what we saw yesterday, right? Was it yesterday, or was it... Where was this? This was... no, this was Tuesday. Remember on Tuesday where the 2-hour time frame also had a similar move, right? It had the sell-off, the heavy bearish pressure, and then the 2-hour time frame started creating higher lows, and then you had a break of that structure, and then the sell-off continued, right? So again, if we're on the 2-hour time frame and we go to now, currently what is happening, right? Again, potentially the same thing. We've got higher highs and higher lows. And if these levels start to get broken, these 2-hour higher lows right here, right? This will be a break of structure. And then you could potentially see that sell-off to the downside. But right now, even if it is short-term, it's bullish, right? Even if it is a short-term pullback, the momentum is to the upside and price is bullish. So we'd have to validate like a move to the downside with some kind of break of structure, right? And it's not going to come from the 1 hour time frame, because look at the 1 hour time frame. It looks ugly. It's consolidating at this point. So it would have to come from the 2 hour, because the 2 hour looks clean. The 2 hours made a form this resistance in here. Essentially got the 2 hour break of structure. Then that would enable us to continue bearish back down to these areas for the weekly candle, right, and the daily. But as of right now, price isn't really doing anything. It's closed above this key level right here, then it's closed straight back below, right? So now this would have been anticipating continuations up into the next key level to potentially find resistance before, you know, further downside, but it closed above and then closed straight back below. So again, nothing there happening right now in terms of moves to the upside, but now we're seeing that twice right here on the 15-minute time frame. Gold has tried to break out this key level and close back in straight away, right, on both occasions. So could it be that on the hourly as well we have the rejections, right? So could it be that we're going to start seeing a move to the downside now, right? Could it be? And would have to validate that then with breaks of this level, right? Otherwise there's nothing happening. Price is just ranging. And in terms of the if price is going to continue bullish, then now we have to see hourly closures, right? Because we've had 2 15 closures above, which have closed straight back in afterwards, right? So 2 fake outs on the 15. So the 15 is not valid anymore. The 30 has had a fake out as well, the close out, and then the close straight back in. So the 30 is not really valid anymore. It's just the hourly now, right? The hourly has just had 3-4 rejections at this point. So if it does close above, if we do get an hourly closure above here, that could be good confirmations that price is going to then continue up into that next level. So at this point, again, it's just a waiting game. TSC is in Taiwan, and they do the whole production. What do you mean, Tim? Bro, these charts are painful. Literally like a couple nights ago, yeah. It's painful, but this is what is gonna enable you to, yeah, this is the 1 hour time frame, Aqua. This is what's gonna take you from being like a really average trader to being a very good trader, is learning how to navigate the markets when it's like this, right? Not getting FOMO, not being impatient and jumping in stupid trades because you're getting frustrated because price isn't moving. This is what's gonna enable you to be a great trader and have success in the markets, is understanding how to navigate the markets when it's moving like this, right? Because if I wasn't streaming right now, obviously I love being here with you guys and having a chat and doing some analysis. But if I wasn't streaming, I would take one look at this price action and I would say, yeah, I'm done for the week. I am done for the week. Taiwan Semiconductor, what's that, Tim? I mean, I can Google it. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing. Oh, okay. So that's the largest supplier of microchips, maybe. Yo, Rue FX, appreciate the follow. Do you think gold come down to 2327? 2327? I mean, yeah, previous previous daily lows. I mean, potentially. If not today, then I'd say next week for sure. How old am I? I am 31. Hourly says good, monthly not so much. Yeah. Random, appreciate the follow. Have I entered? Entered what, Ace? It's nothing to enter right now. Like I said, we'd have to wait for hourly closures above this level now. The hourly or the 2 hourly is the only viable option at this point, because the time frames below that now have all got this right messy price action. Closures above and then closures straight back below. Same as the 15, right? Closures above, closures back below. Closures above, closures back below. So the only time frame that looks clean for a closure above now is the hourly. Bum, bum. Bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. What's GJ doing? GJ is continuing by the looks of it. Not too worried about that. Previous daily highs on GJ is a bearish candle, but it's still creating bullish structure, right? Still creating bullish structure. Even though this was a bearish candle, it's still creating higher highs and higher lows. And look what happened the last time you had a bearish candle here on GJ, right? In this uptrend. Doji bearish candle, doji bearish candle. What happened afterwards? Price continued bullish. Price could potentially continue bullish right now. So on GJ, 12 hours closed above. Okay, where's that previous daily high though? And there, what about this one? What about this level? Closed above. That tap in. Oh, that tapped in. Look at that. Look at that beautiful price action, right? You get the closure above, then you get the tap in right here, boom, and then break of the highs and a continuation up. Beautiful. Textbook setup right there. But now we need to figure out and there was beautiful entries all across the board today on GJ. Even down on the 30-minute. I just wasn't focused on GJ today. Here's the daily. Here's this key level. You got 15 closure above. You got the tap back in. Break of the highs. Price continues 24. Closure above. 30. Tap back in. Break of the highs. Yeah, there's just. Here's the hourly, right? The hourly closure above. Right here, this key level, hourly closure above, tap back in, there's a tap, and then there's the break of the highs to continue up. So if GJ is gonna do something similar to what we saw over here, right, with the bearish pullback doji candle, and then a continuation, you'd need to see a break above 199,900. Which could be, wait, what is that? That's the yeah, potentially above 199,900 on GJ. Take a look at the last time that happened. Over here. Oh, that was during inflation anyway. But I mean, it still came, look at that, it still broke. This candle right here broke above that key level. right? And it came all the way back down for taps and then continued bullish. How to zoom out on TradingView? I just right click it. I just right click and press reset chart view, and then that's going to zoom out, and then you can just use the side panels as well. Yo, Leb and Pack, appreciate the sub on YouTube, man. Appreciate you, bro. DJ was kind of dead this week though, man. Too much news. Too much news, man. So the 30 rejected it again. Gold is mad choppy? Yeah, it is. Mad choppy, bro. Why have we got two levels here? What is there two levels in here? Euro USD, you want to look at Euro USD? All right, well, because gold is dead, let's do some analysis on some other bets because... Oh my God, what just happened? Because it is dead. All right, Euro USD key level in here broke out of those previous monthly highs. I'm gonna mark out this as well. Weekly, let's have a look. Weekly spiked out of the highs, monthly highs right here. Tapped back in this current week, back in here. So we tapped back in, started driving to the downside. Potential key level in here that price is bouncing off. I would say the weekly has to come down at some point during next week and tap into 1.07932. I'd say it definitely have to come back and tap in this level. The weekly's currently bearish, driving bearish. We've tapped off of this level beautifully on the daily. We've flipped bullish, but there's no structure being broken yet on Euro USD. So we've got the low highs, right? Lower lows being formed on Euro USD. Bearish market structure. So I'm gonna mark out that. And there's not really, I mean, price is kind of tapping into here right now, isn't it? Kind of tapping into that level. So it's broke, it's come back for a tap. Yeah, which would make sense from the 12th. Boy, what you want, what you want, what you want to do. Okay, yeah, because yeah, it had to come back from the 8-hour perspective, right? This 8-hour candle right here just all of a sudden started driving to the downside, broke these levels without tapping in. So now this 8-hour candle has come back for taps back in this level, right? This current 8-hour candle right here. So what was this durable goods Euro USD? So did we not have that? That's in an hour. So the force happening there, it's finding resistance at that point. The daily, yeah, I mean the daily going to continue bearish, right? Is the daily going to continue bearish and line up with these previous daily candles in the bearish structure? Because on the weekly time frame, the weekly is bearish. The weekly hasn't done anything at this point though, right? The weekly hasn't broke the highs or it hasn't broke the lows. So the weekly hasn't really done anything on Euro USD this week. So it's kind of hard to get a direction on that. Today's candle hasn't broke the previous daily lows, but it hasn't broke the previous daily highs either. So yeah, no real direction on the daily either. 12, the lower time frames, the direction is currently bullish, because it broke out of lower high structure. 4 hour bullish, tap back in. Appreciate you, Sabi. So tapped in that level. Yeah, I mean, there's not. I think the trade on Euro USD today would have potentially been this. Once you saw this hourly closure above here, this key level, because price came down obviously and tapped off this key level, right? So this was the key level from the weekly time frame, found support here, and then we had this key level above in the market, which was this support resistance level right here. You can see price bouncing over here in the market right here, right? Creating support, came back up for a retest but closed above on the hourly. Closed above on the hourly right here, and then came back down for taps, tapped in and started breaking the highs. So at that point, you would say price is respecting this overall support from the weekly. It's found some bullish momentum here to pull back for the week after the sell-off on Euro USD. And again, from the 8-hour perspective, right, the 8-hour, 4-hour perspective, it's likely that price is going to come back in this level because we broke it without tapping, right? This candle just broke this level cleanly without coming back in for taps, same as the 4-hour time frame. So that could have been the target, right? Because at that point, you can see some retracement. And the confirmation is in the closure above this key level right here, and the break then of the highs and the tap back in. And anticipate then that price can continue driving back up into this next level to give a retest or a tap. That would have been the trade today. That would have happened also during the first trading window. As of right now, you'd have to kind of see what Euro USD is going to do from here, right? Is it tapping off this level to reject and then continue bearish on this overall trend to the downside? Or is it going to come up a bit further? Like, where could it come up into? All these levels have been tapped, to be honest. Yeah, I don't really see it coming up that much. More, so I would just anticipate in about an hour 20, see how this 4-hour candle closes. If it closes respecting, then you can start to look again at that break of structure, right, on your 1-hour, 2-hour time frames, where you can start to see potential lows getting broken, break of structure, see a pullback, and then eventually the sell-off. With anticipation that price is tapped into this key level, that it's broke over here, right? Retested, rejected, and now you're going to see that move to the downside based on, right, how the weekly is looking. The weekly looking bearish, daily looking bearish, and then this could potentially be a daily top wick for it to then eventually flip bearish and start driving down. So we'll have to see. Right now, I would wait for this 4-hour candle to close and see how it closes. See how it closes. What's up, Hakeem? I appreciate you, bro. Gold is dropping. It better be dropping. It better be dropping. If it's moved the tiniest bit, I'm not gonna be happy. All right. All right. I mean, we're still in this consolidation. So if it is gonna sell off now, I want to see it start coming below 2337045. I want to see it start to come below here. At this point, right? Look at the rejection here. Surely we can get this sell off here now at this point. Yo, Ver1. Ver1. ZZ, appreciate this sub on YouTube, man. What a legend. Abidal, appreciate the follow on TikTok. Let's go. What time frame is it? This is the 30-minute. This is 30-minute. I'm going to be looking at the hourly as well. But yeah, again, guys, there's not much I can do at this point until we start to see some movement. Not much I can do. Give me your guys' thoughts in the chat right now. What you think is going to happen on gold over the next hour? Enjoying you, man. I'm kind of learning trading. I enjoy watching you right now. My friend showed me you. Oh, nice, bro. Who's your friend? Are they in the chat as well? Sell at 232. Am I got 2332? Below this level? You're talking about below this level, Zara? This is where are you saying this is where you enter the sell? Consolidation, yeah. You enter the sell down here, Zarif. I mean, at this point, there's still. Came across your account last week and it's amazing, man. Yo, I appreciate you, Travels. Not much. I think the markets are waiting for the news. Bullish. Me too. I don't know. I'm already stop lost in. Zarif, at this point, like, nothing's really happening at the moment. If you start to see this candle, hourly candle, close above these levels, right? Then I'll say you're probably cooked. But just doing his analysis, checking how you do them. Oh, nice. Nice, Ferris, man. I appreciate you appreciate your friend, you know, putting you on to me and coming in something to the channel. Unfortunately, today's very slow at the moment, so if we look at the last couple of days though, right, during this first trading window, price consolidates slightly, right, during this window. It pulls back and then it continues the sell-off, right, for the rest of the session, the New York session. So this could actually be what's currently happening as well, right, because patterns like to repeat themselves over and over again. Same thing kind of happened over here, right? Consolidated during London, pull back, and then continue the sell-off after that. Consolidated during London, the first trading window, then sold off. The purple line is a potential break of structure level. This is what I've drawn on the market. This is what I've drawn on the chart. And this is just the resistance over here. I genuinely don't know why I have two levels in here, to be honest. So I'm going to delete one. Which pair is it? This is gold. 30 minute has a common handle with bullish doji forming, if not mistaken. Cup and handle. So that I have no idea about cup and handles. So what you're saying, Becky? Would that mean bullish or bearish? Oz, appreciate the follow. Can you please check Euro USD? I was just on Euro USD a second ago. Euro USD, I said to wait to see how this 4-hour candle closes. Because the move has already happened now on Euro USD. The move was above this level right here. This was the move coming up on Euro USD. Bad level on 2340. 2340. Yeah, I've got 2341, but yeah, it's just bouncing in these ranges right now. What happened last time was in these areas. Okay, let's have a look. Last time we was in these kind of areas with this level, you can see actually also consolidated again, right? And then you had the push up, the retest, and then kind of the continuation. So it played within this range a little bit, and then it eventually broke out to the upside. Right, played within here, then it eventually broke out to the upside, give taps, and then gave a nice little buy. 68 pips right there. What about over here? Price just like to consolidate in this area, to be honest. Having a look back at that past price action, there's a lot of consolidation within this area, within this key level right here. 2338050. Give me 1 second, guys. Saying goodnight to my daughter. Do I trade it every day? Yeah. News can change everything, as we know. Always hard to analyze in days like this. Yeah. What's the indicator? Which indicator do you use? That's my indicator. Yeah. Who said that? Sabi. That's my indicator. If you're interested in it, you'll find it in the link in my profile. Which parity this is? XAUUSD gold. Tap, guys. Please make it 20k. Let's go, Teddy. Isn't that consolidation an indication that there is bearish pressure? Not necessarily, Joe. No. Not necessarily. What indicator do you say? Bullish till 2-4. Okay. If, like I said, if we look at the last time price was here, right? It consolidated in this area. And then it broke out to the upside and come and tapped in. It went from this level into the top level, right? Which is where we're currently at again. So if this hourly closes above, it's just bouncing back and forth right now. Going bullish, then it's going bearish, then it's going bullish. Let's have a look at the 5 minute. Look at this 5 minute time frame. Rose, thank you for the rose. Rose, thank you for the rose. Japan, appreciate the follow on TikTok. Let's go. Let's go. Needs to reach to for bullish continuation. Yeah, break above the current 4-hour high, yeah. Call and put option price charts for gold can give you more detailed look at price action. What's that, Becky? What? Call and put option price charts. Yeah, appreciate the diamonds, Japan. Show the entry point. There's no entry point right now. Looks like the 5 minute is creating like a pattern. The 5 minute creating a pattern. Consolidation can lead to a big move. Yeah, it can. So what is that, Becky? Beckham Beha. What is that? How do I look at the call and put option price charts? What do you think about Amazon today? What happened with Amazon? Let's see how the 4-hour closes. Yeah, exactly. 4 hours, 4H closure now in an hour. But now look at this 2-hour again. It's flip bearish, respecting that level. The hourly just looks terrible. Contract for differences. Oh yeah, I know what they are, Becky, but how do I look at them? How do I look at the... You said looking at the charts. Call and put option price chart for gold can give you more detailed look at price action. Bum, ba, ba, da, bum. What's the difference? Hourly and 1 min, 15 min? What do you mean, user? What's the difference? Is there any high impact news? There's orange folder news, so no, it's like medium impact. No high impact. What's up, Snapdragon? Time frame, this is the 1 hour time frame. What's up, Nabin? What's up, Velocity? How are you during your live after long? Is it bullish or bearish? I'm good. I'm good. Velocity. Right now, Nabin, it's neither of them. It's neither bullish or bearish right now. Da -da -da -da. We got 2 minutes here. 2 minutes for this hourly closure. And yeah, 2-3 minutes until hourly closure, and then we have New York session open. So let's see. Could this be the rejection now from this level? New York session open to give gold that move to the downside. To come and fill this range, and then potentially this range, and then below here to continue bearish on the daily. Could it be? Leo, appreciate the diamonds. Appreciate you, man. Have you ever tried ICT? Thank God it's Friday strategy? No, I haven't. What's that? There's news on GBPUSD. Anything go down? News on GBPUSD. What news is on GBPUSD? GBP. There is no news. Yo, Iconic, appreciate the follow, man. Welcome to the TikTok game. I'm a beginner, just putting my training account. I hope to learn. I'm willing to do it. Let's go, one deal. Let's go, man. What's my total lot size per trade? Usually around 5 lots, Luke. If stops are looking a bit juicy, a bit girthy, then I'll do like a 2.5. I regret saying anything earlier, not gonna lie, perhaps we should have waited for some more indicators. What do you mean, Beckham? What do you mean? Why do you regret it? You're on a sell also when price was back between. Okay. How do you know when it's created its highest or lowest point though? Christopher, appreciate the diamonds. Let's go. Yeah, I just have my indicator, Wandel, which is, it's based on my strategy. It's coded around my strategy, so. Is this gold? Yeah, this is gold. What's up, Cabana? Cabana. Nah, side, like it's still in the exact same position from when you left, bro. Fun boy, you'll find it in the link in my profile, bro. You will find it in the link in my profile, brother. Where am I located? Australia, Melbourne. Yeah, I'm probably gonna be the same side. If this doesn't start breaking out soon, then if this doesn't start doing something in the next like 15-20 minutes, then I'm gonna head out. Which time frame is that? This is the 15. We're on the 15, 30, the hourly. We're chopping and changing through all these time frames. If nothing happens soon, I ain't sitting here staring at this shite for too much longer. What is my bias? Obviously my bias for the whole of May has been, you know, eventually the sell-offs, right? Overall, long term, I'm looking at sell-offs. But today I was, you know, we're trying to see where the daily candle is currently pulling back into, right? Where is this daily candle currently pulling back into? I've already tapped these two key levels, right? I've already got taps in here. Potentially it's coming for taps in here now at this point, before we can see a bit more of a continuation to the downside. Yo, Mindogas, I appreciate the sub on YouTube, man. Appreciate the sub on YouTube, my guy. But this is the daily time frame. Now we're back on the hourly time frame. But look, man, like there's literally nothing going on right now. So morning. What time is the news? I don't know, like 10 in about 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Well, guys, I might just head off, man. I might just head off. Literally nothing is happening right now. We just had New York session open and still, like, nothing is really going on right now. I know it's only been 5 minutes in, but like, look at this hourly time frame. Look at this hourly time frame. Look at this. Try to look at 1 week candle and pull fib retracement. You're talking about this week's or the previous week's? Down. What? So you're talking like in this area right here? That's where you think it's coming up to? Where'd that go? Yeah. News. Durable goods. You're from Melbourne, Australia too? Books, let's go, bro. 50-50 at the moment? Yeah, 50-50, man. What's happening with gold? Bish. Absolutely nothing, brother. Absolutely nothing. I think gold will sell. I mean, at this point, there's you know, at this point, I don't really think anything until we start seeing like a breakout of either side, right? What, Bish? What's up, bro? What's up, Bish? Bish said, guess what? Now I'm nervous. Oh shit. God of Thunder. With the 20 friendship necklaces. Let's go. Holy shit, bro. Is that the real God of Thunder? Is that the God of Thunder that has dropped 200k in gifts? I had an open position this afternoon around 4 p.m. and now got back from work price back where it started. Fuck. Yeah, bro. I don't think news will affect gold that much. Yeah, I don't think either, to be honest. I don't think it will either, to be honest. I mean, actually, potentially, usually it wouldn't, right? Usually, durable goods wouldn't affect it that much. But I think because price is consolidating in here now in the hourly, maybe it will. Maybe this news will affect gold. Yo, who is that? Hakim. Hakim, yo, my guy. Thank you for the sub on TikTok. Let's go. We hit 5 subs, man. We hit the 5 sub goal. You guys are going crazy, man. You guys are about to wake me up. You guys are finally about to wake me up. Holy shit. We had God of Thunder coming in with the 200. Wait, was it? Yeah, 200 diamonds and then Hakim with the sub. Let's go, bro. But I still support bulls. You think you still think he's gonna go bullish? God of Thunder? Let's go, guys, man. I appreciate you guys, man. What can you do with all those things you get sent on TikTok? I have no idea, Zero. I think it gets turned into money. Either like coins that you can send to people or like money. I'm pretty sure. I have no idea how I'm going to get money from TikTok though. Like, wait, how does that even work? So many traders buying and selling right now. I see a lot of Friday manipulation and newbie traders blowing their accounts. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Feds. Create a fund. And cash out as money to your PayPal. Oh, shit. Oh, so I have to connect my PayPal then. Avoid gold today. Yeah, I mean, we'll see what I'll stay till news. We'll see what happens at news. In about 20 minutes. We'll see what happens with news. I bought way too fast, but at least I understand your analysis. Also, you can cash money to PayPal from TikTok. Oh yeah, PayPal. Yeah, it seems like PayPal then. Create a fund pays you for your videos. create a fund. I should really like I should really be looking into these things, shouldn't I, if I'm going to be using TikTok. Create a fund. Create a fund. Where the hell is create a fund? Creator Academy? Is that what you're talking about? Creator Academy? Playlist? I have no idea. There's many things you don't know about TikTok. I know, bro. I've always been a YouTube kind of person. I've always just focused on YouTube, and TikTok has just been like... TikTok has been to get people over from TikTok onto YouTube. Creator rewards. If you have 10k followers, you are eligible, and you also have 100k views over all your account. Use the money to promote your page and videos. Best way to use it. Yo, what's up, Ahmad? As New York State, yeah, New York is open. Go into settings and click TikTok Studio, and you'll see the options. I think actually, I was talking about this with go to your settings, click on TikTok Studio, and you'll see the options. Where would it be? Like under monetization or what? Monetization. All I've got is live gifts, subscription, or work with artists. Oh, there we go. There's my balance. $32. That's how much I've made from TikTok. Live rewards, $32. Some countries don't do creator funds, yeah. So what is that? What is creator funds? So you get paid for creating videos, like just any videos or what? I've got Creator Academy, but not creator funds. Good on you, Cody. $32, man. I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Yeah, appreciate the diamonds as well, guys. Whoever's sending that. Choco, appreciate the diamonds. You get paid for a 1 minute of videos on views. Oh, okay. You get, yes, the views get you paid. Oh, damn. Yeah, like $1 per 1,000 views. Oh, really? $1 per 1,000 views. Yo, God of Thunder. Holy shit. What is that? What just showed up on my screen right there? I just saw a huge teddy bear pop up. Damn, bro. Thank you very much, man. 500 diamonds. Holy shit. That's insane, bro. Thank you so much, my guy. What's up, D? You're going crazy right now. God of Thunder is going crazy right now. We should call him the God of Diamonds instead. I'm good, D. How are you, man? Make the most of this app. You have 10k followers. Maybe that's why you should be getting more pay in future. I don't know. Holy shit, man. 500 diamonds. I wish that gold wasn't killing my vibe right now, bro, because I'll be hype as fuck. What are diamonds for? They're just yo, mate, you reading chat? Yeah, of course I'm reading chat. Diamonds are what people gift Valeria. Reso, what's happening, bro? What's going on? Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing, Reso. What's my broker? Blackpool. Wait till news and you'll see. Orange Bear, this is xauusd. Yeah, we got 12 minutes until news right now. DJ is continuing. EURUSD is continuing very nicely. It filled that range. EURUSD filled the range all the way up. $16 pips. Look at this on EURUSD. On gold, this would be like a 100 pip, 200 pip move, bro. This is a 17 pip move on EURUSD. 17 pips. I like your strategy. Thank you, bro. What's the purple line? This is just a level of resistance. I'm not sure why this one's purple, to be honest. Maybe I should change that to gray. But this one, this is a break of structure. This is the 2 hourly break of structure level. So what I was anticipating, right, or what I'm potentially looking at is the fact that, when was this? So we had something similar here on Tuesday, right, where the 2 hour time frame was making this structure, this bullish structure, right, during this exact same time as right now, during this kind of like pre-New York session, right? Higher highs to the upside, higher lows as well, and then boom, price broke structure here, right? Retested it and then continued bearish and had that massive sell-off, right? That massive sell-off came in on the break of this structure right here. So if price is going to continue to the downside, we've had this sell-off now. Price has made a short-term pullback potentially. So if it can continue to sell off to the downside, we could potentially get a break in here, right? Break of this structure, bit of a closure below, tap back into these areas, and then a sell-off back down into like 2327, 020. You watching Scruffy? What do you mean watching Scruffy? What's Scruffy? Cojet, appreciate the follow. A little love and like, appreciate the follow. Joe Dunn, appreciate the follow. Is there news? Yeah, there's some news in a little bit, Riso. 10 minutes. Please give us. I can't do that, D. 1,000 diamonds are worth $5. I have no idea. Is that correct? TikTok? $1,000 worth. 1,000 diamonds worth $5. Watch GBP USD. Why? What's happening with GBP USD? You'll be slipping away again. Here we go. Here we go. You're gonna sell on GJ? Yo, Cojet, appreciate the diamonds. Buy bro, can I buy gold now? I mean, yeah, Cheethan, you can do that if you want. I'm not doing it though. Bet feel like I'm making some today. Do you trade in my session every day? Yeah, I'm live every day. Monday to Friday. Was waiting for you to reply though. I can't do that, D, because of TikTok, bro. I can't do stuff like that because of TikTok. We're trying our hardest not to get banned on TikTok again. Oh my gosh, this is painful. This is genuinely painful. And you see news in 23 minutes? Nah, it's in 8 minutes, isn't it? 10:30. 10:30. About 7 minutes. Major support on the 4-hour time frame. You're talking about over here? You're talking about like this level, like this overall level here? Let's go Mindigos. I feel your pain. Yeah, I know, man. Sorry for asking. Who did your headline? Fuck. Oh. All right, 6 minutes. I learned here in an hour more than I bought trading school and watched everything. Let's go, Berries. Appreciate those words, man. You only just come into the stream today, right, Berries? $14.30 news, yeah, like 6 minutes, right? There is some news later on though. Maybe you're referring to that one. Nah. Yeah. 6 minutes. What candle type do you use? What do you mean, what candle type do I use? Yo, Mace, appreciate the diamonds. Last week with a friend, I think. Oh, nice, bro. Can you suggest which book is best to learn trading? Book. I've never really read any books to do with trading. I've read like finance books, but not really anything, and not really any book to do with trading. But I know there's one that people always reference. What's it called? Trading Wizard or something like that? Bible of Candlesticks. And that's what we're waiting for news, Ace. So we're waiting for news, bro. Because gold is doing nothing right now. If you're looking at the hourly time frame, gold is literally doing nothing right now. There's nothing we can do about this. So we're seeing if news is going to give us a bit of a reaction here, a bit of a spike in either direction. For people, price action. Oh, just normal. This is just normal candles, Bish. Trading within the zone. Yeah, isn't it? Yeah, it's trading within the zone, right? When is the news? In 4 minutes, Ace. 4 minutes, bro. For minute. And then we got 4-hour closure in about 30 minutes. But after this news, I don't think this news is gonna do much personally, but I could be very wrong. That one is wow. God, it's really boring past hours. Can't even open a J. Yeah. It is. It is. That's why I was gonna end stream, but you guys wanted me to carry on, and then God of Thunder dropped like 1,000 diamonds or some shit. So I was like, oh man, we gotta stay now. We gotta stay now. So we're gonna see what happens with this news. Let's have a look at the 5-minute time frame. Am I looking to buy? We're not really looking at anything right now. We're just seeing how news plays out, and then you kind of make a decision from there. If there's a huge reaction and you have like a bit of sell-off coming down, that would be breaking bullish structure on the 2-hour, and then you potentially look at trading like this range in here. Otherwise, like to the upside, it would have to be. We still have to wait for hourly closures for buys, right? We still have to wait for hourly closures because of this price action. But let's see. Let's see. We got 10 seconds left. What's my bias for what? News? I never have bias for news, D. I don't predict news, man. We react to news. We don't predict, we react. Why is my camera like this right now? All right, there we go. Spike down, broke those 2-hour lows, those 2-hour bullish lows. So as of right now, it's still in this range, right? It spiked down momentarily, but that's it. Now it's come back up. Gold is useless today, I know, bro. What's up, life with DB? Leo, appreciate the 17 diamonds, brother. Leo. Alright, so yeah, like I suspected, not much of a reaction. Let's have a look at the numbers. Give them to me, please. I'm guessing they would have been. I'm guessing they would have been positive for the dollar. Yeah, positive. So we have positive dollar news. That's why you saw that price just open up and spike down. But literally, it's still sitting between in this range, right? It hasn't done anything right now. So that did absolutely nothing. Beautiful. And on that note, I still consider a break of structure. Mini DAS. Still considered a break of structure, but you know, if it breaks structure but then pops straight back up into this area and just starts consolidating again, then you know, doesn't really mean anything. But you see how it's just struggling to break these levels now, just bouncing. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm done. I'm not sitting around and watching this anymore. Now it's flipped back bullish again. I mean, my advice would be just call it a week, call it a day, call it a week. Come back next week. Come back Monday. Let's see what's happening. All right. But I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna head out, guys. Yeah, forget trading today. Yeah, exactly. But I appreciate you guys for being here, man. Appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys on Monday for sure. I'll be watching this over the next couple hours, maybe, like on my phone while I'm chilling. But I mean, I'd say it's done at this point. All right, guys. Have a good weekend. Bank holiday in UK Monday. All right. Well, it shouldn't affect gold though. It shouldn't affect gold. We'll still be able to trade gold on Monday. But yeah, I'll be back on Monday. You guys have a good weekend. Stay safe. Don't do anything stupid. All right. Don't do anything stupid, and we'll see you back here. We'll see you back here on Monday, all right? I'll be live on Monday on TikTok and YouTube. Appreciate you guys. Peace out. If you guys want, right? If you guys want, if price is going to continue bullish here now, right? 25 minutes until the hourly closure. Look for an hourly closure above here, right? To continue up into the next level, right? You want a closure, you want an hourly closure above, tap back in, and you want to see price start driving. But yeah, I mean, I'll be very careful with this. I'll be very, very careful with this, right? It's gold is very touchy right now. But yeah, exactly. Be kind to one another, man. Be kind to one another. And I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye.